Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already know the essentials. Now start. Install a clean environment with Python and your chosen framework, then run a quick demo to verify GPU and package compatibility. Next, pick a concrete badge goal, course certificate, platform achievement, or competition tier, and open the rubric or criteria. Once done, map prerequisites to tasks. List 3 core skills to demonstrate and a minimum project scope. Begin coding a minimal pipeline today so you have a working baseline to iterate from. You'll now develop the core work that earns the badge. Start by building a reliable data pipeline. Automate cleaning, augmentations, and an 80/20 split so experiments are stable. Implement a baseline model, then progressively add complexity like transfer learning or regularization. Compare with a simple hyperparameter grid. Log experiments with timestamps and seeds for reproducibility, and compute the exact metrics the badge requires. As you iterate, prune failures fast and document improvements. You're finishing. Package code, final weights, and a short README that reproduces the exact steps to achieve reported results. Create clear plots and a brief narrative explaining choices and how they meet badge criteria. Submit per platform instructions and keep a backup release. If something breaks, first verify seeds and dependency versions, then inspect for data leakage or mismatched preprocessing. If performance is lower than expected, revert to the baseline, rerun core experiments, and report corrected numbers prior to resubmission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.